Alright, chart. Now explain to them what you're doing right now, man.
Putting water in the bucket.
Now what are we doing?
Me putting the bomb water in the bucket.
Had to put it in 0.5. Inspected the car. And no, she clean.
This can't be the first good video, bro. Us Bahamians, we Jamaican at the same time because the Caribbean is one whole big thing.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Look dumb in 0.5, man. Alright.
Don't run, don't trip. Whoa! Who is this guy? What are we doing?
Separation.
I have COVID, don't run.
Anyway, so as you can see, we have the bucket of water. Gotta find a cloth to wash this car. If you drop my phone in there, I'm gonna kill you. So what I'm gonna do, this bucket right close to the car. As close as it gets. You know what I mean? So now we gotta find a cloth. Right.
Okay. So time for one of the montages, you know?
Are you short in the bush?
Time for one of the montages, get ready.
Wait, where you at? Close one. Ooh. No difference at all. I ain't doing no work right now. You can spray the car with water?
Where did you put the joint in the boot?
That's not gonna do anything, man.
Look at it.
It does. Now you wetting up, man.
Y'all pulled up on me, I was outside.
Okay, now we're going.
You gotta get it. You really gotta. You gotta get. You gotta get on top of the car, too. And the cartel. No Mexican.
Blue and I won't go on. Been all the time for a month. Upstairs with the local bundle. I'm like money root up with the genre. Alright. How can I be homo? I don't want to get me. What you want? Then I will lick that for you. I want to be there for you. I know the day I saw you. Too many times we argued. So
What?
You smell like a son.
people get mad.
Brother, what's that?
You got thunder? Gotta hurry up.
Thunder and lightning. Wow.
Oh my God, bro.
Oh, hell no.
The club around the appeal.
Alright.
Boy, you can see the reflection on the look at the screen. Look at the screen. Oh my god.
That is amazing.
I was expecting you here. What are you doing this side of town, young lady? Why they call me Drake? Good. But I have good taste in young girls. Stop backing up.
What's going on over here?
Look at this young girl right here.
What?
Hey, yo, what the?
Zoom in real quick. As you can see, I have this yellow brush. She's zoom in. Anyways, I have this yellow brush, and this car's pretty dirty. So just gotta brush it up. Might use a vacuum later. Just take it too long. Kind of hot.
Take it off!
What?
This nigga.
What are you doing now?
Nothing.
House phone ringing?
Look at these niggas. You when you see a charger show, and I'm gonna move.
This is our
Right, we
basement.
got the laptops.
You got a dolphin.
We got a
Can't show
dolphin.
too much? No, can't show too much. Right about now. And the side, I was looking for a cloth or something. Don't mind this room. See no cloths in here. Yeah. No one cares about your paper.
It's hot. It's hot to take.
What?
Alright, so right now, in the box seat of the car. You can see. Pretty cool car, I can't lie. Just gotta clean out this garbage right here. So let's get that done. Oh, get over big. Oh my gosh.
I say he'll say.
I knew this guy for today. I left for the cutlass. I don't even know where I put the cutlass, but I think it's upside down. Don't matter. Yeah, thumbnail.
Go back, come here. Oh my god, oh my god. I need to go one more time, but.
Yeah. So, do we end the vlog now?
Yeah.